So this is how you play your vocabulary tic-tac-toe. You're going to put your name right here, and then you're going to choose 9 words from your vocabulary list right here. You will type the words in Spanish. So let's say I say casa, regular, más o menos, yo también. If you don't know how to do accents, don't worry about it. Más o menos, yo también. ¿Dónde vives? Tú estás. Tú estás. And ¿qué significa? That's good. So now that I have my words chosen, and I've typed them in Spanish on my tic-tac-toe board, I can adjust the sizes of my text boxes to make them look prettier. So once you have your board set up, you'll have about 30 seconds to do that. I'm going to call out words in English. And when I call out the word in English, if you have it on your board, you're just going to go over to your little Post-it note tool on the side right here and just put a smiley face or something so that it lets you have a sticky note, and then hit save. There we go. So every time one of your words is called, you're just going to put a sticky note over it and try to get 3 in a row. When you have more than one word, you can add another sticky note right here and just do this again and hit save. Or you can also hit duplicate right there, and it'll duplicate them for you. And again, it's tic-tac-toe. Your goal is to get 3 in a row.